So we're currently at the Contemporary. I'm gonna meet up with Keith later, but we're gonna have an extravagant day looking at all the chocolate eggs.
You think of that on your own?
No, I wrote that down and waited 7 months to actually say the joke.
You know, I'm sure you did.
The Easter eggs. This almost looks like weird fan fiction art of like Chip and Dale. How to be a basic CP Girl 101 egg. Hashtag, she always blazing it. Now we're gonna go to Wilderness Lodge. There we go. We're gonna go to Geyser Point, one of our favorite quick service places. So every hour, on the hour, the geyser goes off. It's not exciting now, but don't worry, it will be. I didn't realize how loud it was. What did the father buffalo say to the son buffalo before he went off to college? Bye, son. Geyser Point and the lump crab cake sandwich. Get the crab cake sandwich with Canadian bacon on it. Normally if you eat there, you have to sit down and you pay for a waiter, but if you just do to go, just come into the lobby. That crab cake sandwich hit the spot. Now it's time to explore more eggs. The Grand Floridian always has the best eggs. I'm so excited I might yoke. You guys might not have never known this, but there's the Fab Five hidden. So you got Pluto, Minnie, you got Goofy, Donald, and your boy Mickey. Hidden in the Grand Floridian artwork. Oh my God, are you Andy?
You scared me. How you doing? Who's the mama? Where's the mama? Gotta love me, man. You're awesome. You're Kevin. I love your hat. You're amazing. Your camera is so awesome.
But we had an excellent time at the Grand, but now it's time for me to go meet up with Keith because he finally got a Universal Pass.
I'm finally a Universal Annual Passholder family.
Sure. Alright, we're gonna start off with the best ride in all of Universal. Too fast, too furious, too fast, too furious.
Well, I know it's not much to look at, but it's home, right?
My brother calls this the family room. Don says he doesn't have friends, he has family.
He does say
And the
that.
faces you see on these walls are our family.
Welcoming these good people to our family.
Welcome to the family, guys.
Time to go into the next awkward family room.
It's about to go to a whole nother level. Send everybody to the loading dock.
But keep it in our family.
Hobbs, escort this novice out.
Let's go, Cookie Puss.
Wasn't that the best ride you've ever ridden? 5-minute wait for Jurassic Park. Keith, what are you about to go on?
Jurassic Park.
It's cold out. This is not a good idea, buddy. You're gonna freeze.
No, we're not. We're gonna have fun. Just like in the movies.
This isn't looking too good.
What's going on?
Not gonna make it.
We're not gonna make it.
Anyone can hear me?
Oh God! Oh God! Keith, what?
That doesn't look good! You're a little wet. You're the one who wanted to do it when it's cold out. It's time for Keith to get on the train. Alright, here we go. Not yet, because there's no train yet. Keith, look out. You're going, Keith.
Are you alright, Harry? I'm okay. Something from the trolley, dear. I'd say you'd earned it.
Any shopping frogs?
Oh dear. Let's get back to your seats now. I'll try and run.
You're at Hogwarts fun. How does it feel to finally be in Hogwarts?
Excited! I get to be a wizard.
We do have one question for you. Is there any way we can get some muggles into Hogwarts?
Good luck with that one.
It's his first time here and he really wants to go.
Yeah.
You're not a wizard, but you're a muggle.
Yeah.
You want to go to Hogwarts?
Yes.
I imagine you could go visit, but I don't think you can go to school there, right? Yeah, you talk to Professor McGonagall or Professor Dumbledore about that one. I'm sure they'll give you the whole thing about that, right?
Right.
Good luck with
I
that.
love magic.
Well, of course.
Vegas, Keith, Vegas. Okay, we're gonna make Keith close his eyes all the way for the castle now. All right, Keith, thanks. Welcome
My
to
last name really. Now you're right. Find me on social media.
There it is, Keith. Open your eyes and see what you've been waiting for since you're a little kid.
120 minutes?
Huh?
That says 45.
Wow.
We interrupt our program to bring you this important message.
This is Katrina Molo from I4 News. We have a new annual pass holder named Keith Banks. He has broken the record of writing The Mummy. Let me tell you, boy, he got that cup of coffee. I mean, juice. He doesn't drink coffee. So, Keith, what do you have to say about yourself? I love The Mummy!
Keith just asked if Harry Potter was from the UK.
I thought it was like Australia.